National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Black River at Elyria from late tonight until Wednesday evening at 11 p.m. Tuesday. The stage was 7.1 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by late tonight and rise to near 11.2 feet by early Wednesday morning. The river will fall below flood stage by Wednesday afternoon. At 11.0 feet, flooding begins in low-lying areas near the river in Elyria. Forge Road may be closed for high water.
The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity. Severe. The National Weather Service Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Cuyahoga County, Lorain County, Erie County until 7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. At 11:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, local law enforcement agents reported flooding was occurring in a number of locations across the area. A number of roads have high water across them, and creeks and streams are running at or above bank full. Doppler radar has estimated over 3 inches of rain has fallen from eastern Erie County across Amherst and Elyria and DeBerry this evening. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Amherst, Avon Lake, Elyria, Grafton, Lorain, North Ridgeville, Strongsville, Vermilion, and Westlake. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of floods and flash floods. Be alert for low spots, dips, and underpasses which may be flooded. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Erie, and Lorain.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Carroll County and east central Ohio, Harrison County and east central Ohio, central Jefferson County and east central Ohio until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:17 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was detected 11 miles southwest of Silo or near to Pocono and was moving east at 45 miles per hour. This storm was capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include C.O., Caddis, Jewett, Hopedale, Newell, Unionport, Smithfield, Richmond, Wintersville. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. This storm also is producing torrential rain. Poor drainage areas may flood quickly. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Carroll County, Ohio,